We will explore a practical case of using the foundational strategy of prompt engineering to craft a copy for Instagram advertisements. The basic structure of prompt engineering can be summarized as follows. It consists of content and form. Content further breaks down into directives and context, while form is composed of tone, output format, output count, and so on. Using the basic prompt structure, let's draft an ad copy. The prompt is structured asking to write 5 Instagram ad copies about hot sunscreen in a cheerful tone. Now let's execute this prompt. We'll connect to the Chatgpt service to run the prompt. Just like the example we discussed, there are 5 Instagram ad copies. We've defined the context information and the output format, and it's structured to output in English. After running, the prompt returns results like summer vibes with hot sunscreen, which has a creativity rating of 5 stars. As you can see, various elements were combined to produce ad copies promoting the product. Upon analysis, the prompt structure first sets directives in the content. What are they? Write 5 Instagram ad copies. That's the directive. The context provides further details. The target is married women in their 30s looking for summer sunscreen. And the hot sunscreen is easy to apply, affordable, and on a buy one get one free discount. The product is also odorless and enhances facial brightness. Essentially, it's structured around directives and context. Next, let's look at the output format. It defines the structure of the copy. Each ad copy shouldn't exceed 200 tokens and indicate the degree of creativity with asterisks inside parentheses next to the copy. Arrange the ad copies in descending order based on the asterisk count. The format dictates that each ad copy should contain only one core message and be written in a cheerful tone using emoticons. In this manner, we've integrated and reflected the foundational strategy of prompt content and format, which is widely utilized in the industry to craft ad copy.